just one barrier after another.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
Ow, help, stop, ow. Nearly there, tree. I've got you.
Guys, marker above tree. He's about to... I'm mad at him now. Today's challenge is an oldie but a goodie. Back time, folks.
Leafy?
Well, he didn't reply. Rude. I'm mad at him now. Lee, so how about Cloudy?
Yay!
Hey, two, we finished naming our teams.
Oh, that's a relief. I was afraid I'd have to make up team names for you.
I'm not gonna lie, that probably would have been better than...
So what's the first contest?
Well, I was about to announce it, but I got distracted when I noticed how ugly it is around here. Where's all the plant life, eh?
It all got burnt up by overflowing lava.
Yeah, I remember that.
Well, I can fix that for you. Now, what color were the trees and the grass?
Green and yellow.
Got it.
Oh wait, I meant...
It looks nicer like this.
Now that that's taken care of...
What?
So those are our 4 team names. Deathpack yet again, Team 2, and Cloudier. I hope you're all excited for your teams in this next phase of The Power of 2!
Oh, I see. It was Puffball with 1,455 dislikes.
Death Pact yet again!
Let's be called the winners! Okay.
As long as everyone stays careful, we aren't gonna have a name like that.
Yeah, we won't.
Yeah, we're just not.
This successfully sums us up as a team. Great name?
Oh my gosh! It's an inverted planet!
Aha! There's only one way off this tree. Looks like you're nailed.
Catch me!
Here I come.
You can't catch me! Cannonball!
Gelatin, please don't use my barbecue.
Cowabunga!
Ouch! Nelly, that really hurt, and oh my sap, I'm leaking!
We were trying to cure Barfbag after she collapsed. People, we are working as hard as we can.
After Barfbag's vomit poured out last episode, being empty has caused her to be sicker than usual. Different liquids seem to influence Barfbag, but this unhealthy mixture seemed deadly.
Found anything yet, Clock?
No, I did for...
Play along, please! Yay!
What? No! TV, we can... No! Teardrop, help me up, please! Teardrop! Teardrop! Don't do this! Curse you, Teardrop! Oh? Thank you, TD.
Hurry, they're on their way.
Maybe I can find some protection. Where are they? So many goodies, but what are they after?
Wait, I'm sorry! Oh, God, ow!
Robot Flower is hurting!